Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset OPPO A6 Pro. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. We can perform a reset using our settings, that's also the recommended method, and we can also perform a reset using the recovery mode. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the settings. Simply open them up, scroll all the way down until you find System and Update. Now click on Backup and Reset. And now we need to click on Reset Phone. Also, the phone suggests us that we should create a backup. I also highly recommend doing that. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible methods. So if you want, you can watch it. I always like to have a backup of my data. Now to reset the phone, click on Reset. And now we need to click on Erase All Data. After that, our device will be turned off. Remember that everything will be deleted from your device. After that, our device will be turned off. After a few seconds, it will be turned on automatically. And the next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Really easy. When it comes to the recovery mode, we have two things that we need to remember about. If you have your screen lock set, after the reset, during the setup process, the phone will want you to type it as a confirmation that you are actually a user of this device, or the phone will want you to log in into the same Google account into which you were logged in before the reset, also as a confirmation. You'll be able to pick, do you want to use the screen lock or do you want to sign in into Google? There's a huge chance that it will appear. So remember about it. Now to perform it, we need to power off our device. So click Power button and Volume Up button and now select Power Off. Now to enter the recovery mode, we need to use Power button and Volume Down button. We need to hold both buttons at the same time until the recovery mode launches. It's going to take a little bit, so simply keep holding and be patient. Okay, now we need to select our language. To move around this menu, we can use the volume keys. If you want to confirm the selected option, click the power button, but the touchscreen also works. Now we need to select Format Data. Now type this code using your keyboard and click on Format. The process has now started. Data formatted, click on OK, and now our device will be automatically turned on. The next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.